Guys, welcome to AGV and this is Vishnu. Look Ahead Limited wants to fix proper selling price for their product A and B, which they are newly introducing in the market. Both these products will be manufactured in departments. So we have two products A and B. So some of the details are annual production 1 lakh for A and 2 lakh for B. Direct material 15 and 14. Direct labor 9 and 6. Direct labor hour rate is 3 per hour. The production of overhead other than interest chargeable to two products are as under. The factory overhead 50% fixed, 100% of direct labor. Administration overhead 100% fixed, 10% of the factory cost. Selling and distribution overhead 50% variable, 3 and 4 respectively per unit. The fixed capital investment in the department is 50 lakhs. The working capital requirement is equivalent to 6 months stock of cost of sales of both the product. For this project, a term loan amounting to 40 lakhs has been obtained from the financial institution on an interest rate of 14% per annum. 50% of the working capital need are met by bank borrowing carrying interest of 18% per annum. The department is expected to give a return of 20% of capital employed. Contribution per unit shall be in proportion to 2:3. You are required, number 1, fix the selling price of the product A and product B such that the contribution per direct labor hour is the same for both the products. Prepare a statement showing in detail the overall profit that would be made by the department. So going ahead with the solution, we have the production per annum quantity 1 lakh and 2 lakh, direct material 15 and 14, 4 per kg, direct labor 9 and 6. Then we have factory overhead 50% of direct labor 4.5 and 3. Then we have factory overhead which has been already mentioned. Therefore we get the factory cost. Factory cost will be 33 and 26. And then 50% of factory cost shall be administration overhead, that is 3.3 and 2.6. We have selling and distribution overhead. Variable portion is 50% is variable and 50% is fixed. So variable portion will be 1.5 and 2, and fixed cost selling and distribution, fixed part of selling and distribution cost will also be 1.5 and 2. Therefore we will get a cost of sales of 39.3 and 32.6 multiplied by total unit will give you the cost of sales. It is 39.3 multiplied by 1 lakh, 32.6 multiplied by 2 lakh. We'll get the cost of sales as 39 lakh 30,000, 65 lakh 20,000. Will give you a total of 10 lakh 1 crore and 4 lakh 50,000. The profit will be 20 lakh 45,000 and the sale price will be 1 crore 25 lakh 95,000. So the profit of rupees 20 lakh 45,000 is explained in later stages. So going ahead with the solution. So first of all we need to find the variable cost. So the direct material will be 15 and variable cost the direct labor 19 and 6. Then we have variable portion of factory overhead and variable portion of selling and distribution. 4.5 and 3 for factory overhead and 1.5 and 2 for selling and distribution. Therefore, the total variable cost will be 30 and 25. Right? Okay. Then we have the fixed capital. Capital has been 50 lakh as mentioned in the illustration. Then we have working capital of rupees. Working capital for 6 months will be 52 lakh 25,000. So, and then we have capital employed. So the capital employed will be, when we add 50 lakh plus 52 lakh 25,000, we will get 1 crore 2 lakh and 25,000. 20% of such capital employed should be considered as return. Therefore 20% is the cost return. Therefore 1 crore 2 lakh 25,000 multiplied by 20% will give 20 lakh 45,000. So 20 lakh 45,000 should be the return. Now it is given the question that the contribution per unit should be allotted on the basis of 3:2 ratio. Therefore, the total cost of sales of the company is 1 crore 4 lakh and 50,000. We have return of capital employed, which is 20 lakh 45,000. Then we have sales as 1 lakh 24,000, 1 crore 24 lakh and 95,000, out of which we have the variable cost, which is 30 into 1000, 1 lakh plus 25 into 2 lakh, which gives you 80 lakh, right? Yes. So 80 lakh. Therefore the contribution will be 44 lakh 95,000. So why it is only taken as variable because fixed cost has been removed. Therefore there will be the total variable cost as rupees 80 lakh. So the contribution will be the sales minus variable cost. 1 crore 24 lakh 95,000 minus 80 lakh will give you the contribution of 44 lakh 95,000. Now we need to compute contribution per labor hour. So for computation of contribution per labor hour, we have the contribution of 44 lakh 90,000 divided by 70,000. 7 lakh is the hour. So 7 lakh is nothing but the labor hour. 1 lakh is the unit of product A. 9 is the direct labor rate, direct labor spent for manufacturing 1 unit of product A, divided by 3 is the labor rate. Therefore 9 divided by 3 will give you 3 as the labor hour, and for product B we have 6 as the labor cost, divided by 3 is the labor rate. Therefore 6 by 3 will give you 2 as the labor hour. So for manufacturing 1 unit of product B we need 2 hours. Therefore 1 lakh into 3 plus 2 lakh into 2 will give you 7 lakh as the total. Therefore the contribution per labor hour will be 44 lakh 95,000 divided by 7 lakh will give you 6.421, and the contribution per product has been the proportionate of 3:2. Therefore 6.421 into 3 will be the contribution per unit of product A, which is 19.26, and for the contribution per unit of product A B will be 6.42 multiplied by 2 will give you 12.84 as a contribution per unit of product B. For the selling price will be the variable cost 30 and 25 plus 19 and 30 will give you 49 and 38 the selling price. After that we can compute the statement showing computation of overall profit of the company. Therefore we have the total sales as 1 crore 24 lakh and 95,000 less the total cost of 1 crore 4,50,000 will give you the profit as 20,45,000. After that we need to, that is EBIT, that is earnings before interest and tax. So we need to consider the interest and tax to get the net profit. Therefore the interest rate will be, for long term capital we have a term loan of 40 lakhs with an interest of 14%. So 40 lakh into 40% will give you 5 lakh 60,000 as interest. And for working capital loan, half percentage of, or half of the working capital is taken as loan. Therefore 2,61,000, 26 lakh 12,500 multiplied by 18% will give you 4 lakh 70,000 and 750. Therefore the total interest is 10 lakh 30,250, will give you a net profit of 10 lakh 14,750. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.